The massive blocks are transferred to the cutter. Once the safety interlock is engaged, the guillotine grid descends, transforming the block into manageable pieces for shredding.
Next, the large blocks are cut into smaller portions and fed into the industrial shredders to begin the process. Once shredded, the vacuum system pulls the cheese through the sight glass, where the operator confirms the transfer before it heads to the mixer. Next, water is added gradually and kneaded into a dense dough. Precise control prevents lumps and supports a consistent texture. The dense dough, now thoroughly kneaded with water and embedded with rich cheese specks, is discharged into the transfer trough.
As you can see, the cheese is thoroughly blended directly into the dough. This ensures the flavor comes from within, unlike powdered coatings. Here in step 6, the cheese is blended directly into the dough. This ensures the flavor is baked right in, creating this distinct orange color before rolling.
The continuous sheet is rolled and flattened into a thin, smooth ribbon, forming the foundation for perfectly uniform crackers.
This video is created through a human AI collaboration. The concept, storyboard, and final visuals are developed using original ideas, with high quality scenes generated using VO3 and refined through professional editing. All content is created from scratch as digital artwork and follows YouTube's 2026 monetization policies. We do not use reused or inauthentic content.